You know that feeling when you put on a pair of sneakers and they just feel right? That's exactly what happened when I slipped into these NG sneakers from Temple. It's broad without being over the top, and honestly, they go with everything. Jeans, struggle, you make it. But I'm really surprised with how they feel. Walking in lane is super light, almost like floating. Running is like you've got an extra spring in your step. The knife up keep your feet cool, even hot summer day. And here's the kicker, the midsole is advanced foam catch with a crazy 75% rebound rate. That means every step absorbs impact, protect your knees, and keep you stable without losing that soft, comfy feel. You've got a snack that's stylish, comfortable, and performance really early on. Trust me, once you try this, you will want to take them off.